inky friends, it's Cindy Lynn with my inky fingers. Thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel and blog. I was going to do a face-to-face and a table shot, but that would mean you'd see my studio, and I don't really want you to see my studio until I do the tour. So I'm going to mute my phone. Now, I have an unboxing. I have the new Stampin Cut and Emboss Machine. I've got a whole bunch of new stamps. I've got some new papers and all kinds of goodies. But I wanted to show you guys these first. These are in the clearance section, and you know what? These were an add-on for the, I believe it was the August or September Paper Pumpkin. I can't remember, but I will write it in the description, and it will be linked on my blog. But look at these adorable envelopes. Will you just look at these? I made a card to look like this with some watercolor. I didn't do a video on it, I just made the card, and if I can find it, I'll put a picture of it up here for you. But these were also on clearance, so I got 3 packs of these awesome, like there's 5 sheets of these in here. They were so cheap, you guys. And I got 3 packs of these cards because I need to make some thank you cards. So I need to make a bunch of thank you cards. So I will probably do a video on this and show you guys how I mass produce my cards, because if you know me, you know I hate mass producing cards, but I have a very good reason to make thank you cards, and some of you might have an inkling as to why. So for a few other things I got the basket weave metallic ribbon combo pack. I mean, will you look at these? These are so, look at this one. I think I'm going to use a lot of this. And this one here, I mean, when I show you the paper I got, you're going to understand why. These are going to look amazing. So I had to get those ribbons. I got another Forever Greenery trim because I'm almost out of my gold cord. I use that stuff so much. And then these are the autumn punches. I thought they were so cute. So those will look really cute in my drawer. I think I'm just a supply hoarder. Now, these, I purchased something, and one of my sidelines ended up getting me a few things to trade for it. But I can't believe that I didn't order the snowflake sequins in my first order out of the new mini catalog, or the adhesive back snowflakes. And I've done some Christmas cards for Christmas in July. I'll link that series for you guys. And I could have used these, and I didn't have them. So now I have them. Yay. Now, I did pick up some more paper. Look at this. I mean, I really didn't, this whale of a good time, or whale good time, or whatever it's called, really wasn't speaking to me when I first saw it. And now I'm just looking at these papers, and oh my gosh, I'm just loving those. So they're so adorable. And you know what I do? I just cut off the top inch of the plastic, and then I store those away with all the rest of my 6x6 paper. And this one here is playing with patterns. So this one, sorry, was called Whale of a Time. That's what it's called, Whale of a Time. I always want to say Whale of a Good Time. So these ones here, I see so many cards, and I'm like, oh, I could totally make the backgrounds like these. I could show you how to do these with watercolors. They're not hard. But this is just quick and easy, and I'm loving these patterns. They're so playful and fun. I mean, birthday cards and party invitations and whatnot. So I'm really happy with that set. I'll show you some of the stamps I got. Now, I did get the stitch triangle dies. You know, another thing that just, I was like, you know, when I first saw it, I wasn't blown away. But I have seen some cards and some ways the girls are using it, so I just had to pick it up. And I've made my CD case, right? So I'll link how I do this with the magnet sheet and printing all of this. So that's all ready to go in its new case. This here, oh my gosh, I have a card I want to make with this. I mean, I've been wanting this for a while, but there's a level of want, and you always get the things you want the most. And this here, I definitely love this flower, and I've got such a great idea for this set coming up. Beautiful Autumn, of course, coordinates with the three-piece punches. So love this little, and you know, I just did a Christmas card with the wreath. A lot of these you can make a nice autumn wreath. If you look at that Christmas card, you could completely copy that, but just change the colors and do it for autumn. So that's a great idea. Now this, I am so super disappointed and smacking myself because I thought I ordered the bundle. I've got it ready for my dies, but I only ordered the stamp set, so I guess I won't be saving 10%. I'll be ordering the dies on their own. Now, the Gathered Leaves dies and the Gather Together. This was a bundle, and I've already put it all together. I've put my dies in here to match my stamps, but I really, really like this set. I mean, this is going to be great. I have a really cool technique I want to show you guys with this leaf coming up for the fall season. You know, I didn't get a lot of fall stuff in my last unboxing, and I'm just feeling like it's time for some fall. Now, I got a couple packs of Whisper White. This was a gift from Stampin' Up. They had a promotion for demonstrators in July, and I qualified 3 times. So this is the first set of my gift. Now I'm going to show you the paper I got, and then I'm going to show you the new machine. So this here is the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper, and I'll just kind of, I'll take it and do this for you guys like I usually do. Look at that one. That is so pretty. I can almost see like northern lights or whatnot from there. I love the what do you call that, like ombre kind of look of this paper. This one's super pretty. This would go well with the whale of a time. This would be cute for Christmas. This one is gorgeous. I mean, I overlooked this paper too, you guys, and now I'm looking at this going, yeah, I'm so glad I ordered it because it's just, it's so pretty. I mean, you know, the bright colors, I used to do everything in bright colors, and it seems like I haven't done anything with bright colors lately, so I love these. This one's really pretty too. I love that ombre, and that's it. So those are those ones. Now, this next paper pack, there's 2 that are on my wish list, and I only got 1 of them this time, but it is the Autumn, Gilded Autumn specialty paper, and this stuff, let me tell you, is absolutely stunning. This paper is just, it's so over the top. I want to make sure that I keep this in view for you guys, but this is so over the top. Look at this. It's all gilded with all your foil. So pretty. I mean, look at that one. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then the backs are just plain, okay? They're not gilded. The tops are. The tops have your foiling. And I have a really cool video that I'm trying to find space for to film for you guys for foiling. I've got some neat techniques for you, but this one's super pretty too. And then finally, look at these pumpkins and the gourds. I think they're gourds or squash. I don't know, something like that. In the back of it. Oh, I just love this. I cannot wait to start making some fall cards. So I'm going to show you really quick. This here is, I'm going to call him, he's a boy, and I'm going to call him my cut and emboss because the Stampin' Cut and Emboss is such a mouthful. Now, I did do a video on this, and I showed how to put the handle on, and then I also showed you guys a whole bunch of different combinations with your plates. And I'm going to show you the plates in a second because they come with it. But I just want to show you, underneath here, there's these like really shiny silicone-y grips. This guy grips fantastic. Now, it won't grip so great on paper. You'll want like a glass surface or a slick surface. But, and he's you know, a decent weight, so, which is really nice. I'd say, I don't know, maybe 5 pounds. I don't know. It's about the same as a 5-pound bag of flour. Maybe it's a 10-pound. You know me, I don't measure and I don't weigh stuff. So anyhow, here we go. We're going to open it up, and it opens up, you know, pretty easily. Like it's got a couple clicks in there, but I love this. Look how beautiful it is. It matches my new room. So awesome. So fold it up and goes away quite easily. Now you can order this in September. If you are a demonstrator, you can currently pre-order this now. So there's that. I was going to take it away, but I'll show you here how the plates go on. So it comes with a number 1 plate, and that's your base plate. Now this here, they will have a magnetic plate. It will be available in September. It's not available to pre-order yet. And it comes with a number 2. So, and it's actually got your sandwich combinations on here using thin dies, yada yada. I played with it and I have a whole bunch of combinations. I did link the video for you, and on that video there's a link in the description to my blog, and on my blog I have all the combinations written out. So it comes with a number 2. It comes with 2 number 3s. Now I do want to make a point, because I notice a lot of people that are getting into these machines use their dies and they notice that the die has made an impression on this plate. That is perfectly normal. That is totally okay. So that happens. There's no way to prevent it. Your second plate is kind of your top one. So you'll want to keep the one on the bottom all the time. And then here, that's just what I do. I mean, you can turn them around if you want, but then you have two that have the yucky impressions in them, right? And then you have another number 4 plate. So it comes with everything you need. Now, if you don't have the magnetic plate, you probably want to put some little tape on your dies and whatnot so that they stay in place. But the magnetic plate, I will definitely be getting that when it comes. There is a little machine as well that is perfect for these small embossing folders. But these embossing folders you can still use in your big one. Okay, they're totally fine. They will fit in there. But when the baby boss comes, I'm definitely going to pick him up so that the big one has a little brother. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing today. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite things that you saw today are and what's on your wish list. And until I see you again, take care and happy stamping.